Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the next chapter, which is Why Do We Fall Ill? It is chapter 13 of your textbook. And from the name of the chapter, you can relate the present scenario of COVID-19, due to which we are locked down in our homes. So basically you can see that illness is a huge criteria that can stop our lives forever. It might lead to death also in severe cases. Now in this chapter we will deal about what is illness, what is a disease, what is health, how is the health important to us, what is the difference between being healthy and disease free, types of disease, what are the principles of treatment of a disease, difference between symptoms and signs, and etc. etc. So basically in the first chapter we had studied about cells. As you know, inside the cell many reactions take place. You have studied in mitochondria, different reactions take place. In the Golgi bodies, different reactions take place. In the endoplasmic reticulum, you have learnt about all these things. So the cell is a dynamic organ in which somewhere or the other reactions are taking place. Now when I am talking to you, you are talking to me. In fact, at this moment also different types of reactions are taking place in the cells. Now cells, they are made up of fats, lipids, carbohydrates, proteins, etc. And different type of cells give rise to different organs, as you know. If you take the example of the brain is always thinking. If you take the example of the kidney is always filtering urine. If you take the example of the lung is always breathing. If you take the example of the stomach is digesting the food. So each organ or each cell in the organ performs a specific function. For that, the cell needs energy, and the energy will be in the form of food that we eat. You have to eat proper food, then only your organs will work properly. Your cells will work properly. They'll get the required energy. So when you talk about cells, this picture comes to our mind. Now see how these organs are related. Let us take an example. If your kidneys are not working properly, that means urine formation will not be proper. And if urine formation is not proper, there are chances that the brain will be unable to think properly. So my point is, every organ is related to each other, every cell is related to each other. So one anomaly, one defect in one cell may lead you to illness, may take you to the path of illness. So this is what we will learn in this chapter, the conceptual part of illness. Why do we fall ill? What are the factors that make us ill? So basically we will be going through all these in this chapter. So with this I will start the chapter now. So first we'll talk about health. So when you talk about illness, you have to talk about health also, because illness can only develop if your health is not proper. Now when you are asked about the term health, always remember, health is not related to only physical. It is not that you are stout and sturdy and you are healthy. You have biceps, you are healthy. You have triceps, you are healthy. No. So health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being of a person. If a person is socially, mentally and physically fit, then only that person can be called healthy. So how physical? As you know, physical, you must be strong enough, you must have proper defense mechanism to fight against any disease causing germs. That is the physical part of the health. Mental part, the brain and the nerves should work properly so that messages can go to different parts of your body. Thirdly, when I talk about the social well-being, you please remember that man is a social animal. Human beings are social animals. We all have people around us. If you cannot mix with the people properly, if you are not social, you are not healthy. So socially you should be sound enough. You should have that capacity to mix with people, to interact with people. That is also a state of being healthy. So please remember, it is not only about physical health, it is physical, mental and social well-being that defines the health of a person. Next we'll go to the next point, in which I'll emphasize what are the conditions that are necessary for good health. For good health, you can see these following points should be kept in mind. One is good physical and social environment. As I just said, the environment in which you live, it always defines your health. Say you live in a area where nearby your house or near your house, a lot of garbage is there. People throughout the city, they come and throw all the garbage in front of your gate. So there will be a day that you will no longer remain healthy because all the harmful agents or germs might enter your body or your family member's body in some or the other way, since every day all the wastes are coming and dumping near your home. So a physical and a social environment should be very proper, should be very sound. Then only you can achieve good health. The second is good economic conditions. Please remember that without money or without proper finance, you cannot attain good health. If you talk about like states like United States of America, health checkups are very, very expensive. That means health is given a priority there. So if you want to lead a healthy life, want to lead a disease-free life, you have to have good amount of finance, good amount of money. So money is also related to having good health in today's scenario. Next is social equality and harmony. Social equality, like if there is some person in your locality who misbehaves with people, shouts at night, has a very vulgar behavior, so that means you don't have harmony in your area, you don't have harmony in your home, you will be always disturbed. In that case also your health might go wayward, your health might not work properly, you will be under mental stress at that time. So social equality, social harmony, social peace is also very important to be healthy and sound. So these are the things that are very important in order to have proper food, proper environment. They are very important so as to maintain a healthy lifestyle.